Hello students, today we are going to discuss about basic accounting term. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the different terms which are used in the business world for recording the transaction in the books. Okay, first let us start with the definition of accounting terminology. What does accounting terminology indicates, or what does it mean? It means there are certain accounting terms which are daily used in the business world for recording the transaction in the books. It is essential to understand because these terms you are not familiar with. Therefore, these terms are said to be a accounting terminology. Okay, now first we are going to discuss about the business transaction. What does business transaction means? Business transaction is an economic activity of the business that changes the financial position. Whenever any business activity takes place, it results in the change of the sum of the value of the assets, liabilities or capital. Its main features are: first, it involves an economic activity. It means transaction. First, what does transaction means? Transaction means contact between two persons. That is seller and buyer. And always remember, whenever the business transaction has been done, it should be in terms of money. Means money involvement should be there. Okay, now it involves economic activity. Means what? First features, it means that all the activity which is related to the business, it should be in economic frame. Suppose I deliver a services, I purchase goods and services from the market, it should be in the terms of money. Now next features are that transaction can be divided into two parts. First is internal transaction and second is external transaction. Let us discuss about the first, internal transaction. Internal transaction means that type of transaction which takes place within the business organization. For example, charge of depreciation on fixed assets. These all are related with the internal transaction. Excuse me. Okay, now let us go to the next point, that is external transaction. What does external transaction means? External transaction means that the transaction between the two independent business units. Suppose it involves business between the X company and Y company, or we can say AB company and Y company, etc. It can be take place in the form of purchase and sale of goods. One is purchasing the goods and one is selling the goods to the business, different business entities and all. Then number 3, it should be in financial character. Financial character means all the transaction, whatever it is related, it should be in term of money and it should be value of assets, liabilities, change in the financial position, capital. These all should be the features of transaction. Then now my second point is events. What does event means? Without event, transaction cannot be. For example, suppose I am going to start business. I am going to start a business. Then this event occurrence will be ultimately converted into transaction. Therefore, event means consequences or result of a transaction, means without transaction event cannot be created. For example, suppose A started a business with rupees 5 lakh. Then by using this 5 lakh he purchased goods for rupees 4 lakh and cash and 3/4 of the goods for rupees 3,80,000. He paid 20,000 as go down rent. This all is related with the event, means there are two parts are there in this event. First is transaction. What are the transaction in this example? We can say that investment of rupees 5 lakh in the business. Next one, purchase of goods, sale of goods, payment to go down rent. These all are related with the transaction. Now second, event occurrence. How event is occurred? I am calculating at the end of the year profit and loss of the business. This profit and loss is an event. Next one, we can say calculation of closing stock at the end of the year. End of the year is also an event. Event means all the calculation what we are finding at the end of the year. For example, profit we are finding, calculating, closing inventory we are computing, cash balance, capital. These all are the event. Now let us go to the third point, that is called account. Number 3 is account. Account abbreviation can be A/C. This also means account only. Okay, then what does in account means? In the actual practice, individual transaction or like nature transaction, individual same type of transaction, it means all are recorded in one place and added and subtracted. Such place is customarily termed as account. Means account is a place where similar head of accounts are recorded in one place for purpose of adding and subtraction. Then we can say that an accounting is a record of business transaction related to a particular person or items. The format of the account can be, account format will be in T format. This format is also known as T format, where left hand side indicate debit and right hand side indicate credit, and heading of the account is written over here. Such, for example, sales account, purchase account, whatever account you are creating. Then over here we are writing particulars, amount, particulars, amount, and while starting in the left hand side we are writing by 2 and in right hand side by, and the result will be the Here suppose this side total is x and this side total, whichever is bigger, we have to write in the same side. Then after that, balancing figure, suppose left hand side is smaller, then balancing figure will come to the left hand side. Okay, now first we have discussed business transaction. Second, event. My third term we discuss about account. Now fourth, we are going to discuss about capital. Actually, whenever we come to our day-to-day life, capital means some state. Suppose capital of India is New Delhi, capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. This all we are knowing, but actual meaning of capital in accountancy or in business, it refers the amount invested by the owner or proprietor into the business is said to be a capital. Suppose X invested rupees 5 lakh. This 5 lakh is known as capital, but capital, it can be in the form of goods, assets. Suppose together with 5 lakh he brought goods amounting to rupees 10,000 and a furniture rupees 6,000. This all together capital will be 5 lakh plus this goods, cost of goods 10,000 and furniture rupees 6,000. Together it will become 5 lakh 16,000. Then the total capital invested by X into the business is rupees 5 lakh 16,000. Suppose we are willing to calculate capital, then how we can calculate capital? Capital will be assets means property minus whatever you have to pay. That difference will be the capital. Now we are going to discuss another point, that is called drawings. Drawing means what? In actual, we are thinking that drawing is to make a art or pictures, but in business term, drawings does not mean this making pictures or making art and all. Actually, actual meaning of drawing in accountancy, that any amount withdrawn by the proprietor for the purpose of private use or personal use, it is termed as drawing. Suppose X withdraw rupees 1,000 for paying house rent, then this is said to be a amount withdraw from the business for personal use, because house rent is not related with the business. It is for personal purpose, therefore it is termed as drawings. It can be in the form of goods also, for paying in life insurance premium also. Then these all are termed as drawings. Thank you.